Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, like a very important chat to my loyal viewers and subscribers out there in the YouTube universe about what has been happening on the Sydney Trains network over the very recently. Anyway viewers, as per usual, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe tab at the bottom of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And if any of my viewers or subscribers feel like to becoming a member of my transport family, please click the join tab at the bottom of the screen and follow the links. Anyway viewers, as you probably heard, Sydney Trains has gone through a bit of a rough patch over the very recently. It all came to a head on around about late Thursday evening, the 13th of February. That's when negotiations failed for a new pay deal over a $4,500 one-off payment that our Sydney train drivers that had already been paid as a one-off back in 2022, and the unions wanted it on a new pay deal, and the government said, "No way, Jose, it ain't gonna happen." And then RTBU members receive a text messages saying to f*** the network. Well, they did f*** the network up in a big way. Over 700 Sydney Trains drivers and guards decided to chuck a sickie on Valentine's Day, and that caused a Sydney Trains meltdown on Valentine's Day, and I wasn't able to film hardly any railway movements at all because I reside in one of the worst areas that were impacted by the Valentine's Day Sydney Trains chaos, and the unions definitely mucked up the network in a big way. And of course it had very little impact over that weekend as well, and a very small impact on that following Monday, and the other day they had about 150 drivers still called in sick, and it had very little impact on the railway network. And this past Wednesday I've caught a VSET from Emu Plains to Central, despite arriving at Emu Plains a couple of minutes late. It made up lost time and arrived at Central Station being on time, and my train home from Central to Emu Plains, it arrived on time. And I'm very pleased to announce viewers that the Fair Work Commission, Australia's Fair Work Commission, has ruled in favour of the New South Wales government and ordered the New South Wales Rail and Tram Bus Union to suspend all industrial action for the next 4 months from now until June 30. Therefore, viewers, that means they'll be back at that means they'll give both parties a sufficient amount of time to put together a enterprise agreement, and then it will start, and then Sydney Trains will start all over again on the 1st of July. So anyway, viewers, just a quick update here. Sydney Trains industrial action has been suspended for the next 4 months. That means Sydney commuters can travel on the train worry-free until the 1st of July at least. So I've got my cat Sunny wanted to be let back in, so I am going to wrap up the video. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share and favorite the video, and I will see you next time. Until we meet again, it's goodbye for now.